Hi, Ariel. Hi. Hi. Oh, you're a wet boy. Hi, Mowgli. Hey, buddy. You're very excited. Very excited. That's the pink girl. Where'd she go? Oh my goodness. Come here, little girl. They want nothing to do with me. Hi, buddy. You're lavender girl. Hey. Hi, bud. Who are you? You're the purple girl. Hi. Wow, yay, easy. Two are at it.